Hello all, White Shadow from overflowsecurity.com here. Today I'm going to be talking about pulling Windows executables from a network capture using wireshark. Okay, just a brief overview of my environment here. On the bottom right I have a Linux machine that'll be hosting an FTP server. The top right I have an Windows XP machine which will connect to the FTP server and download a file. To the left I have my Kali machine which will be listening in on the network traffic. The bottom left are all the IPs of the machines listed here. Alright, so we'll start off by setting up the network capture. Yep, that's right. Okay, then I'll connect to the FTP server. Log in as anonymous. Switch to binary mode. We'll go ahead and list the files. nc.exe is what I want. Looks successful. And we can see nc.exe is there. So we'll go ahead and stop my network capture. Let's go ahead and test this file to make sure that it is working properly. Okay, that is clearly netcat and it is working fine. So now let's go over to the network capture. So we know FTP goes over port 21, but a lot of people don't know that the actual data of an FTP transfer goes over port 20. So if we look at the data from port 21, we'll see just the commands that were issued. The commands in red are what I sent. The commands in blue are what the server responded with. So we see I logged in as anonymous. I didn't enter a password. I just hit enter. We can see the list command, that's just me using the dir command to list the files, and then receive netcat.exe. Now, Wireshark will show you port 20 data, and it'll list it as FTP data. So here's the response when I did the dir command. There was data sent over the line saying, oh, these are the files that I have on my FTP server. Now the actual data that was transferred starts here. A clear indication that this is a Windows file, other than this message right here that says this can only be run, or cannot be run in DOS mode, is MZ right here. That lets us know it's a Microsoft executable. If it was a Linux executable, we would see something like ELF. Alright, and this just looks like gibberish, basically because it is. It's a binary file that can't be broken down into ASCII. So we'll save this raw onto the desktop, and we'll name it unknown.exe. Saved. Alright, we can see it on my desktop. Move it over to my Windows machine onto its desktop. Alright, we see it there. Alright, and we can see unknown is listed here. We'll go ahead and check the functionality. And it works. Okay, so now you know how to pull a Windows executable from a network capture using Wireshark. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, or come and visit us over at overflowsecurity.com. Thank you.